To change the date and time settings on a Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to open our settings. Then we can scroll down and select General Management, go for a date and time, and right here we can adjust all of the settings. First one is automatic date and time. If you want to adjust it manually, make sure to switch it off, then you can change your date as well as the time. And I recommend to go for automatic, since when it's disabled you may get some network problems for some of the apps or your browser. Then there's the automatic time zone, and right here when you disable it you can also select your specific time zone. I'm gonna keep it automatic as well. And finally, the last option is to use 24 hours format or change to 12 hours format. You can enable or disable it, and there's a change right here. So currently we're in the 12 hours format, 24 hours format, and now we're at the 12.